only if we can say no to the distractions. Please remember, as a student, please say no to your distractions, because these distractions are the challenges. Actually, these distractions were called the media of mass destruction. The media of mass destruction. They silently kill the time of lakhs and lakhs of people without them knowing that they are just getting sucked by these distractions. So, please avoid the distractions, be disciplined, be focused. Focus is most essential aspect in the life. If you are focused, you can achieve your target, you can achieve your goal. If you are not focused, we cannot anticipate, we cannot expect the success. So, consistency and faith and success, these are all the progressive stages towards the success.